Hello again, it's Cat from the Fire Tuna Club. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing video of a research field kit from the Trillium forest. So, I could go on and on about what the Trillium forest is, what is included in this research kit, which is kind of like a loot crate, a subscription-based bi-monthly box that I'd be getting. But you can actually go ahead and check it out yourself if you're really interested. I'm just gonna get straight into the good stuff. So the first surprise when you get the field research kit that you don't see in this video is that it's a box within a box. If only there was another box within that box, and another box within that box, and something you could smash with a hammer. Anyway, that being said, the box is pretty awesome. I love with all the stamps. It lets you know immediately that it's a field research kit with the Trillium logo on it and a wax seal, which if you really want to see her putting one of those on the box, it is on her Instagram. The video is really cute. The wax seal just adds that little extra something to the box. So let's go ahead and open it. So, if you want to do your own unboxing video, I've got 2 tips for you. Tip number 1, don't forget to hit record. Tip number 2, don't use copyrighted music in the background. So even if tip number 1 is irrelevant, I would not have been able to play back my actual reaction footage because of that music in the background. Yay! And yes, the footage I use now still has that music in the background, so yay! First up from my box is the Botanical Offering. I got a healing salve, which I can't wait to use on my skin. Alright, next up is the one of 2 sculptures I got in my box. First is the eggs of the Snail Amanda. Watch. The detail and color and thought that went into this item was amazing. My only complaint is that I'm going to have to add a little glue because that cork will not stay. But that is nothing. The eggs are awesome. Time for sculpture number 2. This is my Snail Amanda in the larva stage. Still mostly aquatic by the research guide. Again, the attention to detail, the air bubbles, the way the Snail Amanda is in the jar, the rocks, the plants, everything to make it look like a specimen taken from the Trillium forest. Seriously. This is one of those things that I'm looking forward to getting my next box. 1, to film it better. 2, for more awesomeness. All the extra little details, like the thing that hits me the most is the air bubbles and the way the Snail Amanda is positioned in the jar. The kit also comes with a basic listing guide of what's actually in the kit, the eco-focused Tread Lightly periodical that will come in every box. That is another thing I like about this actual kit. It tries to keep as eco-friendly as possible. Most of the things in this box that are not sculptured or not meant to be kept are biodegradable. Chop it up, throw it in the compost. Yay! In case you missed it the first couple of times I said it, the next item is chocked full of detail. Jackie takes every point to make sure that this looks like a full-blown breakdown of a biological creature from the Trillium forest. From the print, to the research guide, to the study and life cycle of the creature, no detail is forgotten. That is why, normally, I'm not really big on prints, but this print means so much more because all the extras that come with it. I can look at this print and think of the life cycle of a Snail Amanda. Not to mention all the effort she takes into making these pictures look that much more authentic to the idea at hand. You can really feel the mystic nature of the Trillium forest. Alright, that's everything in the... Let's try that again. That's everything in the... Oh. Okay, hang on a second here. See, look. This box is totally worth it. You can't say no to a face like that. Hello, Mr. Snail Amanda. I don't feel the least bit let down with this box. If you guys want to get one for yourself, all you have to do is head over to JackieHarder.com, sign up for the field research kit. It's only $50 for one-time purchase, $45 for subscription-based. Remember, it's bi-monthly. Don't forget to count for shipping and handling. You will not be disappointed. Hey guys, if you're still sticking around, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that this has convinced you, or at least have got you interested in Jackie Harder's art. Check out her Instagram, or, buy a box or one of her sculptures. And thank you for watching another one of my videos. If you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you. If you are not, you should think about becoming one. If you really want to have a discussion about what was in this video, head to the comments section. I'll be there waiting.